how much smaller the smaller printed one is, which I think you probably can't even see that. Can you? They're right there, I promise. Welcome back to the Workbench, where we try to make things. And it's Friday, so it's time for another channel update. And as usual, I'm gonna start with a little bit of the housekeeping, which the schedule staying the same. Monday is Chevelle, Tuesday F-100, Wednesday is Mars Garage Shop Truck, Thursday Thunderbird, Friday channel update, and then of course Saturday, which is not on the schedule because, well, I'm lazy and I haven't put it on the schedule, but it is on the schedule. It's just not on the printed schedule. Anyways, Saturday we will be having an update for the 250th celebration build. So that'll be tomorrow, and then every Saturday after until it's finished. Oh, the other thing I want to mention too, decals. So we have down there. I think they should be down there, or at least if you go to the description, there's a link to a merch store where you can get. Right now, what I have is the Faux 42 decals and the Frank Taking Over decals. Of course, there's t-shirts there too, all different colors, all different sizes. And if you'd like a TandemCTelevision decal, just hit the email down in the description and I'd be happy to send you a couple. Just let me know where to send them and I'll get those out to you. And I think that's pretty much all the housekeeping. So what I wanted to actually do an update on was these little brackets that I was trying to print for the Thunderbird. So if you watched yesterday's episode, I was trying to print some brackets. If you didn't watch yesterday's episode, well, wait for this to be done with, then go watch it, or go watch it and come back. Either way, that's up to you. But either way around, go watch yesterday's Thunderbird episode. But you saw that I had printed up some brackets that were, well, a little too big. In fact, let me pull another one off because I don't know. I think I lost the one that I used yesterday in the video. They were a little too big. If I just kind of set it here on a black piece, let me set it on the radiator. If I can, there we go. They're still small, but yeah, just a little too big. So I sized them down, and so oops, I just knocked one off too. We can see how much smaller. Hopefully, you can see how much smaller I sized them down to. In fact, I just knocked this one off. I can set it next to that one. So this is kind of hard. It might be easier just to set them on. Here we go. Let's set them on this black mat. And this wheel keeps falling off. It fell off all yesterday too in yesterday's video. So there's the smaller one. Where'd the bigger one go? Here it is. So we can see how much smaller the smaller printed one is, which I think you probably can't even see that. Can you? They're right there, I promise. But what I can't, let's look at it this way. I made a little sample board, I guess. So I went ahead and printed them, painted them, just glued them on some styrene. I can't glue them on the card just yet because I got to do some more painting and whatnot. But now we can see how they're holding the line. And I think that's probably going to be, let's flip it over and put the wheel back on for the 800th time. There we go. I think that's probably going to be a much better size as far as holding fuel line, brake lines, wires, whatever. I'd mentioned that I'll probably be using them on the F-100 for the LED wires that I'll be having to run all along the bottom, making them look like there is something on my hat. What is that? But I'll be using them on the F-100. Yeah, for all the LED wires, making them look like wiring harnesses. So I think it's going to be pretty cool. I did this too. I went ahead and did like a double clamp. So one clamp that will hold two. So if I wanted to run this solder, by the way, this would probably work a lot better with actual wire. So this is 0.3 solder, 0.3 millimeter solder. It is pretty tough. Let me put it over the white here. I think you'll be able to see it. Yeah. It's tough to get, it's so malleable, it just bends so much. But with a stiffer wire, I think it would be better. But yeah, we could run wires basically parallel to each other. So I think that would be kind of cool too. By the way, right here, there are 10 clamps. 10 clamps, 10 double clamps just right here. So this isn't one big clamp. I just wanted to make that kind of make sense. In fact, let me see if I can just pop one off and then I'll slide it down. So if I then slide it down, you can see there's what one. Can you see that? What one bracket would look like there if we put it on the car? And that might be kind of cool to run, like parallel lines, parallel to each other. So I did that too. I thought that would be kind of a cool idea. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I just want to hear what you guys think. Is this the better size? I actually printed these with less standoff. I keep losing with this much standoff. They keep falling off, but with them printed with a lot less standoff, they stay on the backing board a lot better. So anyways, yeah, let me know what you think about the size. By the way, that's 20. There's 20 brackets on that one, 20 singles or 10 doubles. That's how small they are. And just so you know, about as small as I can print them. There's no way. I think if I go any smaller, it's just not going to, they're not going to work. They're not going to hold any integrity. And the other thing too that I noticed is when I was putting this together, if I went any smaller, I just plain couldn't handle them. They were just, I had to obviously do this with tweezers and whatnot to even put together this little sample board, I guess we'll call it. But anyways, just a project I've been working on. I wanted to update you on it because I talked about it yesterday. So I just wanted to give the update. And had a lot of good comments from you guys saying, yeah, they're a little big, which definitely agreed. So we're now smart. Let me see if I set these on the whiteboard, are they easier to see? If I set them side by side, can you see that a little better? Probably see the difference in size. This is the ones that I showed yesterday or in yesterday's video. This is today's, which is sitting on its side. If I can, there we go. So you can kind of see that I probably, as far as mass is concerned, probably a quarter the size or a third the size of total mass, I would say. But anyways, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear what you have to say about them. It's just, again, a project I've been working on. I'd love feedback to get feedback from you guys. Stickers down below if you'd like to support the channel. It's a great way to support the channel. Decals, t-shirts, all that stuff down below. Also, of course, you can join. There's a membership. There's a join button. I don't know over there. If you want to join the channel, or there's a Patreon page also if you'd like to support that way. Also, make sure to go check out ProTech and definitely Starbond glue. Down in the description, there's a link to a discount where you can get 10% discount to really good glue. And I spoke to him a day or two ago, Starbond that is. I should have some sample stuff coming that I think y'all are going to be really into and is going to be really applicable to the model building world. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope it should be here soon. Like I said, I spoke to him a couple days ago. So I should have it soon. I'll be showing you guys. I think it's something you're going to really be interested in. But anyways, thank you for joining me. Leave me those comments down below. I'd love to hear what you think about the brackets here. If it's something that would actually, if it makes sense, I guess, if it looks right, I think it's a good way to put in lines. But anyways, let me know what you think down in the comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I don't know, but there's all kinds of buttons. Just hit all those buttons everybody tells you to here on YouTube. I gotta get back on the 250 build. I got a motor to get ready for the 250 celebration build. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.